This is a Peterborough-bound B train.
Clear of the closing doors, please.
This is a Catlin-bound B train. The next stop is Booth Street.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.
This is a Peterborough-bound E train. The next stop is 80th Street, Museum of Hardy History.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please. Stand clear of the closing doors, please.
This is a Peterborough-bound E train. The next stop is 57th Street.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.
This is a Fairview Avenue-bound E train.
The next stop is 46, 47.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please. Stand clear of the closing doors, please.
This is a Peterborough-bound D train. The next stop is East 72nd Street.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.